I know what happened. I was supposed to take her to the... You go halfway across the country with someone. She needed her name to mean something. Maybe I was starting to buy the fireflies.
Jesus Christ, Joel.
What do you do?
I killed her. I told her
that the ceramic trauma plate I'm wearing will stop a .357 Magnum round traveling at 490 meters per second.
Are you sure about that?
What's this?
some folks call this thing here
Fucking laser sight.
Funny.
I'm trusting you.
Stab wounds.
FBI, open up!
Fuck it. What the fuck is wrong with you?
When I was young, my mom threw a can of Febreze at my head.
You should quit smoking.
I mean, I guess.
Fuck off.
Can I ask you a question? I don't know, can you?
Do you know what an artist and a sniper have in common?
It's best you don't ask.
This better be better than a 6.
Y'all should come back with us, restock before we head out.
Appreciate it. I'm Mel, by the way.
Tommy, this is my brother.
It's me, Carl!
Y'all act like you heard of us or something.
Because they have.
Jesus Christ, Joel.
Nora, all clear?
He's out. Put him against the wall.
I need a medic bag!
Get off me!
Joel Miller.
Hey guys, this is John 2 here, and welcome back to another Fan of Forces video.
You don't get to rush this.
Joel, please get up! Fucking kill you!
Actually cleared you for active duty.
Barely.
You could probably get a stay if you ask.
I'd rather not sit around if I don't have to.
No one's okay with this?
Why would it be up to Owen?
What the hell are you doing here?
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在香港这座城市的设置。主演钱德勒、罗欧斯、福波斯伊、瑞秋、莫妮卡和一些其他他妈的演员。
Is this you talking or is this... Jesus. Fucking people. Jesse, stand up! Hands in the air, I shoot this one too.
Don't you do it, Ellie. Get out of here.
Stand up! Now!
Don't you fucking dare!
Alright, stop! Stop! You killed her. We let you both live. And you wasted it. Wait! Stop! She had nothing to do with this. She's pregnant. Good. Abby.
Counter-terrorists win.
You don't get to rush this.